Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is enjoying their day today. Of course, today is Sunday and tomorrow's back to work. So I'm currently cooking, which I do on the weekends, and I try to cook a certain amount that it can last me for a couple of days, that I can, at least if I want, I could take it to lunch, or if I choose not to take it to lunch, when I come home I have something to eat. I don't have to worry about cooking, because normally during the week I don't cook. I don't really have the time to cook, because after I get home from work I'm so busy, and that's kind of like my time to get in the word with the Lord and do a couple of things, and by time before you know it, it's time to go to bed, to get up and do it again. So I kind of do my cooking either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So today what I am cooking is, well, first of all, this is my chicken parts for the dish that I'm making today, and it's caramelizing, and they have been for the past about 15 minutes on low. So this is the coloring, natural coloring, using the sugar to caramelize the meat as we do it back home. Um, Today I'm cooking Lokrio, which is a one-pot meal dish. This is something that we love to cook and eat in St. Maarten. Other islands have it as well. Puerto Rico kind of call theirs paella. Trinidad have their version, which some other things kind of go in it, and they call theirs palau. Well, this is the St. Maarten, our St. Maarten version, St. Maarten, both Dutch and French side. And what goes in it? Chicken. We put peas and carrots, corn, and whatever rice you want to use. Some people use parboiled or whatever different brand or version. I'm jasmine rice all the way. So my meat has currently been caramelizing slowly. So what I forgot to do last night, because I'm doing so many different things, I'm making soap. Yesterday I made a double batch of soap, so I was really busy. Plus I was also doing production stuff, as far as uploading stuff on YouTube, and then there's also my podcast, so which I'm busy working on right now, one of them. So yeah, I'm like all over the place. So I forgot to cut up my onions and my sweet peppers. But I didn't forget the garlic, because I seasoned these overnight last night in my seasonings. And of course a lot of garlic, because I love garlic and it's great. So I divided the chicken in half for this pot, and I have the other half in the freezer for something else, whatever it may be. Maybe I'll use it for some chicken wing soup, some Caribbean chicken wing soup, since it's starting to get a little chilly here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to cut up those onions and those peppers, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've chopped up my onions and my sweet pepper. You can use any variation of peppers. If you just want to use green, you can use green. If you want to mix a combination of green and red and yellow, or if you just want to use red with the onion or yellow with the onion, doesn't matter. If you don't want any, that's fine too. So these are going to go in here. Okay. So I'm gonna let those sweat in there. Let me see if I can zoom my pot in a little more on my camera. Hopefully you can see. Get a more close up. Now I'll just take it up so you can see. So that's what my pot looks like. As you can see, the chicken pieces have caramelized really beautifully. Okay. I have put my jasmine rice in. So what I'm doing is I'm stirring it, stirring up everything in there, because I want the rice to kind of take some of the flavor of the meat before I add the liquids. So I'm just gonna stir this around real good. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on low. Put this real low. This is some of the liquid that was left back from the seasonings of my chicken. Just gonna put a little bit on there. Not too much. Just keep stirring until I get that rice properly coated. And I'm just gonna let this rice sit here with the chicken and the vegetables. And I'm gonna let that just slowly sweat for about maybe 5 minutes. And then I'll bring you back. Okay. It's been sweating for about maybe 2 minutes. So in here I have, as hope you can see, this is I made some chicken stock, and this is also some of the curry stock that was left over mixed together. So it makes great flavoring for this dish or any other dish. So I put about 2 heaping, maybe 3 heaping tablespoons in there. Okay. So then I take and I stir that around as well.